shit, what up, Miggies? I didn't see you there, buddy. My bad. In queue long? Maybe for a second, but I won't go too long. Let me flip back over. I mean, it looks like it wants up, right? But crude just keeps making new highs. So that's highly dangerous. Of course, they could just be pulling the rubber band for later, right? Nothing until rate decision. I mean factory orders, but that doesn't do anything. I don't care about that. Yeah, don't follow this one, Miggies. I'm just doing this for a I don't even remember, Daddy something in the group was asking how to set a limit order and do all that stuff. So when you got a level you're liking, like this level right here, which is below now, and you want to see if you're going to hold that level, it's usually a right click and then a limit buy, and it'll buy at the price you want. Instead of, if you hit market, it could buy, say if it was here and then shot down, it would buy it down here or sell it down here instead of where you want it to be. This is going to be a wild day. Volatility is increasing. What's the VIX at? I don't know if I'll trade much today anymore. Oh my gosh, the VIX. What? Miggies, check this out. What is this? That's 1 minute. What just happened? Did it just open? I'm so confused. I'm on 1 minute, 3 minute, 1 minute. Let's go to Vixie, give a better picture. I see it did hold that level. It's still dangerous. I mean, you can scalp it. You can scalp off the 5 and see if it pops up to the 20, but then it can come right back down here. Let's see, what is oil doing? Let me go back to having to keep oil up while I'm trading today for sure, because it's already above 97. With it being at 97, we should be down here, not up there. We're still 150 points too high. But let's check the dollar. Cat, stop it! Motherfucker trying to rip my elbow off. I see the dollar ain't got back above 100 yet. It barely went up with crude. It's still up 33 cents on the day, though. Okay. Uh-oh. Did I just lose my mic? No. That's weird, it made a sound. Let's see what Topset has to say. Issued the top small number of traders experienced incorrect fills this morning between 6:17 and 6:28. That lasted longer than 11 minutes, you dips. Oh well. crude's trying to hold a key level. It keeps popping below. It could come down some, like 50 cents to find support. Nope, it's going right back up. I held that key level. It's funny how NQ only follows it when it wants to. Shots, man, they make me burp like crazy. I can't stop sometimes. Like when I lay down in bed, it's just blah all night. Just need a couple dollars to pass. Well, you're on. Get on MNQ, not this. Don't trade NQ if you only need a couple dollars. How many dollars? How many dollars we need? Oh man, it's too iffy right now. I would say just try it to the 20 again, but crude's still on that key level, so it's too dangerous. For me at least. Oh, it's going. Oh, that would have been your couple dollars. Oh, 263. Well, you would have just got it. Hasn't moved. It's still sitting on that key level. It's not moving. So I don't know why this is going up all of a sudden. Just doing what it wants. You got this, Miggies. Over here so I can see the crude chart. Wait on a premium setup. What's gold doing? Gold has been easy this morning. I mean, it should look the same as NQ. Ooh, that's iffy. Here, how about I'll try it for no. And I want to say it's going to pop up here, but crude just isn't giving it up. That worries me. It's just bull flagging right now. Oh man, General Mills had earnings this morning. That's one of the few I buy shares on before earnings, and it always does bad. But I like General Mills because I like cereal. Now that my kids don't eat it anymore. It's just like within the last year, they just gave it up. Like, nope, no more cereal for us. Lower profit, what do you know? No shit, nobody has money. Dipshits. Net sales of minus 13%. Ooh. That's not good. And they still make more than Palantir. But Palantir's up because they have AI. Got AI. Cereal's gas, hell yeah. What's your favorite cereal, dude? I gotta know if you're still gonna be my friend or not. Invite a friend to Cash App. Why are you sending me this Cash App? Fuck you. No, it doesn't want down. But they didn't strike a crude facility. They struck a natural gas facility this morning, but crude went off the charts because of the escalation of force. And Israel said they did it with the US is okay. Alright, well, let me delete this triangle I made. 50 EMA lines up with the top of the triangle. Okay. That's on crude. I'm looking on the other screen. GC straight down. See, it's a good thing I didn't take that. And NQ said, nope, we're not going down. Sorry. Sorry, not sorry. So it does what it wants. It doesn't make sense. It should have double bottomed right there. Gold did. Crude double topped for the moment. It's probably NVIDIA. NVIDIA probably said, but AI, guys, 1 trillion in 3 years, we can do it. With their 70 billion a quarter. Obviously, 12 quarters, 70 billion is going to be over $1 trillion. Not. I can't believe he tried to do it again yesterday too, talking about it. That's funny. He's the trust me bro right now in the stock world, in the AI world. Trust me bro, we're gonna do it. Now Microsoft wants to sue OpenAI because they're not going to use them. I think it was like 30 bill or something. It was in the news earlier. I'd have to look it up. It's pretty funny though. Microsoft's below 400. Tap 396.99. That's nice. 69's in there. Uh-oh, is crude going back up? Yep, crude new high. We're still not on the new low. Dollar still making new highs. Let's see what the 1 minute looks like. Yeah, we should have been double bottom in the last minute. I need another monitor so I can put OBS on it. What up, dude? 7:15 ES. Let me take a gander. Oh, here. So since I don't trade ES too much, let's delete these. Boom, gone. All right. So we can show how to do these. What time is it? We're 18 minutes in. Okay. ES, 30 minute. Alright. So you find a spot where it rejects back the opposite direction. That's going to be a key level, right? Oh, you can't. That's Weeble for the right click. Horizontal. Boom. Uh-oh, it's the wrong color. try to go to where all the top of the wicks touch. And you got the fakes above, right? This one almost got there. You kind of got a minor one right here. You got a wick, you got a double bottom, wick. This is just a wick. This one you have 3 touching. Which is kind of hard because you also have one right here. So I'm just going to go with that one. You got a double bottom right here with a wick touching. Just a wick. That one's a tough one. But I'd put it there. That's how easy it is to do the levels. And then when you need to get more, just keep going backwards. The problem with these is they get really close together. Yeah, sure thing, bud. I gotta put them back on anyway, so. That 30-minute does not look good, but it could come up and touch right here to the 5 EMA it open. And then we could just chop this zone until 1. That's the bad part. The moves were already happening. That's like yesterday. The moves happened before open. And then we just sat there and we all bitched all day. But right now might be a good time for long. I'm gonna go off that 5 EMA and see if I can ride it up to the 50. Well, maybe not. It's already gone. That's unfortunate. It might come back and get me. But I'm not chasing the hoe. The moment I chase, it'll do sear, fake out. See, it's on the 8 right now too, so you gotta be careful. You never chase on the 8. Pick me up, ho. Pick me up, ho. Take me on a date. Put me in the elevator. Promise it's worth it. Jackass. I'll leave it there. But it could come down to here. So be careful if you're trying to go in. GC, well, you have to give me a second. I'm only going to risk 100 on this. If it goes below 100, I'm cutting it. Because it's a dangerous spot. It's not really acting like it wants up now. Give me 1 second, let me get out of this, and then I can go to... See, crude's coming down. So we should be going up. Oh, come on. Just go up a little. Let me out. Go, bitch. Okay. Alright, buddy. I got 75 on that when I clicked it. GC. GC's gonna look just, should be looking just like NQ. Could easily come up to here. But you have to hope that crude does not hold 96, 97-ish. I actually think it's like 96, 93. Because if it goes up to make another high, let's see. Crude touch key level after finding support here. And it's been holding the 20 EMA, so right now is a dangerous spot to try and go long. Because it's already at the 20 EMA. And if it holds it again, then it comes back up here, then it can double top and then come down here to find the 50 EMA. And then from there, chop the rest of the day more than likely. Nope, went right through it. only I would have just taken a fucking, if I would have reversed my longs into shorts right here. Oh Jesus, it just kept going. I couldn't believe that. I thought it was going to hold the 50 EMA on the daily, and it just 5 EMA all the way down. This might be a 3 crow, so be careful. You want it, if you're in longs, you want it to hold 48.55. You don't want it below that. See, it's kind of got a level there. Right there, 48.55.6. You want it to hold that. That's just on small time frame. Rut row cut off. You there? Hello? Can you hear me? And it went to the 50. It never double bottomed, which is bullshit. It should have. It should have made a lower low as crude made a higher high. Crude and the dollar. It's going to be an interesting day for sure. They may just rip it all the way back up here. Time. Or make one giant fucking come back up to 998 and then swing for a giant inverse. Oh, that would be dirty. Why is she talking so early? So they're already starting with the news. It's going to be a very not good day. Crude is still coming towards that key level. $79 to go, or you just made 79? $79 to go. That's the hardest 79, dude. I'm gonna tell you that. Be patient. Wait for the right thing. They're funded. Well, it takes like 2 hours. Once you get to the 3,000 mark, just cancel, flatten, and wait for the email to come. Sometimes it's 5 minutes, sometimes it's 2 hours. And then you can start trading for real monies. Got this, bro. Damn, I should have said to short it. You'd have been in the money. Right back down. Some weird section on crude. It's because Levitt's talking. Crude just. It may lose it. That's a pretty strong rejection. Candle down. About to find out. It's on it. That was just 30 cents down on crude, and right back up, right off the 50, as expected. And NQ went up with it. What the hell? NQ can't make its mind up. I hate when it does that. It's fake in every direction. That's probably just taking out all the stop losses both ways. 5 minutes till open. Oh man, it's in a bad spot. I ain't calling nothing on that. GC2. It's starting to curl. I think it can touch the 50, but that would be, we can try it. Watch it just go straight down. Nah, my balls ain't that big this morning. We ain't giving back. Now the chop before open. Let me see what the 5 minute looks like on crude. Bro, if they short that shit all the way back to 95.24. There's a small FBG down there, so they might, but I don't like it. Bitcoin. Who the hell is even buying Bitcoin anymore? It made a higher high. It went to 76 last night. 76K. Back down to 72. It is really just chopping. Just in a bear flag still. Spy might be coming out of the bear flag. Spy has a down candle right now. Oh, this is GC. GC has an up candle. So watch out on GC. It may come down. Oh no. 150. Oh, you hit profit target too? Damn, bro. 150 is not bad. Just chillax, bro. You just gotta chillax. These little small moves will chop you out, bro. Can't be. You gotta be careful. And CL still, crude is still trying to hold the 50. It's on it again right now. And right back up again. I really think this should be coming back down here. There's no reason it should be back up this high. Crude could be making an enormous head and shoulders too. I say enormous, but it's on the 1 minute. What's the 3 minutes say? It's a perfect touch on the 3 minute. Oh, it's open. Straight up. Watch that 50 up there if it gets above 69. I didn't realize the time. $700 on the day already. Nice, bro. Okay, crude is still chopping. It's not moving. Crude is chopping up. NQ is is chopping back down, but it could go back up. I don't know. I'm waiting to see a move on crude. It's not really doing anything yet. Spies showing down. Okay, there it flipped down. Bro, I want to say short, but it could do anything. I don't like it set open. It's where people lose the most money. Well, you would have got your 170, but it would have been a quick one. Oh, what is crude doing? Crude's still in the same spot. It's not moving. Yeah, it was a short. Barely 10 points. They are not letting it down. Fuck. How is it following crude? You watch them just chop it out all day. It's sitting on that daily. They're trying to not lose the daily 5 MA. That's what this orange line is. There we go. Crude's still in the same spot, not moving. Try along to here, but it's iffy. Rejecting 50. Come on. Go back up. That would have faked me out. Crude's still going up. We have no reason to be hanging up. Crude's almost back to its high. It's 0.01 lower. Got to 94. Come on, dude. I told you, it's chopping the crap out of it. Crude is 93. Oh, it's fighting that key level. I think NQ is moving, anticipating off of it. But see, this should be a bear flag. Crude's still up. So is NQ. Nvidia went down. Microsoft went down since open. Apple came up because it was already down. QQQ's chopping up. Spy's chopping up. Dow's chopping up. Crude is barely holding that 5 EMA. It did finally get to the 92. This is bullshittery right here. Once again, we should have been down here. where it's at, we should be below 800. And crude. I'm not committing to anything yet. I don't like the chop. The chop can kill you. I mean, we can see if it holds 50. Right? Let's see. Oh no, I was already too late. Would have been 200 real quick. Now it's probably going to go straight down because it already touched again. If I wouldn't have put my stop, look, boom. But every candle's just chopping. It's a very indecisive open. Crude still at highs. It's not giving up much. Which makes me wonder. How we doing, Miggies? Balance was only 1 million put into the Mag 7. The rest was outflows. And then it went up. Damn it. Chickened out. That's the name of the game. Really shouldn't be. That's where we are. Filled the wick, went above it, and come into that 99 spot. Watch the moment I go in big is the moment it reverses. Let's see what happened on the XY at open. Probably shorted it. No, it's still up 30 cents. They did short it some though. See? Even the dollar not following crude. They short it, bring the index back up. When it should be up over here, 99.80. Crazy wick on crude. They're trying to short it and it's getting bought right up. What happened to the news? The West creates threats. Oh no shit. Oh, that was a dirty wick on crude. It almost wicked to the 50 EMA and right back up. QQQ is down the least. What is going on here? Oh, because Apple's almost at even. Oh. Oh, damn. Avgo's green, Google's green, Tesla's green, Netflix is green. Apple's now green. Amazon's red. Palantir flip back green. Interesting day for sure. keep hitting profit target and it keeps going up? You couldn't just exit? What's going on? Ride the 5 EMA with them. You have to exit the trade. It doesn't just pull you out once you hit 3,000. You still have to exit the trade like normal. Now it comes down. Didn't get in any options. Crude's coming right back up still. This makes no sense to me. Why is the dollar getting shorted? I did say they were probably coming to 99 to make a big inverse, didn't I? Set it before open. And not even I took it. I could see it coming a mile away. Son of a bitch. It's okay if you go $7 over, as long as you don't have 50% of the profits in one day. All of them have that 50% rule, unless it's a single day one. But I thought you were on Top Step, so it's just as long as you don't have more than 1,500 in one day, you're good. You can go over. Crude's still up there, so crude's at the same spot it was when we were down here, so it's not making sense other than the FOMC later. Now they let it down. What's the total amount you have on it? Do you have $3,007 made on it? Like, send me a screenshot of the, or just tell me the total amount you have. If you have over 3,000, leave that sucker. Crude hit 98, and we're still not down at a new low. See, if I chase right here, it's going to pop back up to the 5. I've been down this path. Yeah, let's chase it, and I'll show you. Never chase. See? Look. We should be down here. See? Told you it was going to go right back up. Even though crude hit a new high. I gotta make that back. Jerk offs. That's why I said this is what you don't do, right? You don't chase. you should be good. Says your target's 26,476 though. Why is your target that high? Oh, because you're not on a 50K. I just pulled that up on the stream too, my bad, dude. Don't go into my account. Just show me the main page. 25K, 1250 profit target. Yeah, so you're over 50%. But isn't this one day? Passing as little as one day, so there's no consistency, right? Are you in pro or flex? I didn't look. Don't show. Well, if you're in a flex, there's 50% consistency rule. If you're in pro, there's no consistency rule. So if you're in flex, you got to make another 250 tomorrow. It's in the rules. See, we're on a flex, 50% consistency, profit target 1250. Which means you can only make 625 a day. On the pro, you don't have consistency. Look at these jerk-offs just run it right back up. Crude's still at highs. Nvidia's now green. Oh man, this is why I didn't want to get in anything today at open. And I took a 580 loss for the sake of you guys. But we're gonna make it back. We're gonna make it back real quick. See, crude's going back up again. And they keep gapping it up so that it doesn't hurt them as bad. Oh man. Did you understand that, Miggies? Make that last. What is it? $220. All right, there we go. Back to top step. See what happens here. I wouldn't follow this. It's a danger zone. Yeah. I wanted it to come back and test it. It probably goes now. Definitely the danger zone though. Now we only got to make another 430 to get back to where we were. Crude's still creeping up. So the wave might be just down now, even though they're not wanting it down. If they were letting it, we'd be probably down here already. Crude did make another higher high a minute ago when we were right here. Yep, just made a higher high on that candle. 98.20. It's still going up. All right. No oil news. Uh-oh. Yeah, I know, buddy. That's hard to do on stream. I can't. I need a hotkey to change. Let's see if I chase now. I don't know. Crude's still going. Supposed to go between levels and look at me. See, crude made a higher high and we're trying to hold this level all of a sudden. We're still not making a lower low for no reason at all other than EI. Everything's red again on the main screen. Apple flip green. Nvidia's green again. I mean, Apple flip red. Nvidia's red again. Nvidia's sitting within cents. I'm gonna see if it'll bounce. Danger zone. But it looks like Nvidia wants up. Seriously. That's why I said danger zone. Look, as soon as I touch it, it falls back down. I've been noticing that lately. It's been kind of weird. Within the last week, as soon as I touch a limit, like pull it out to set a stop, it shoots the opposite direction. And sometimes will hover around wherever I'm holding it. Alright, too dangerous. Don't care. I actually took minus 15 on that. It was $20 in the green. And Nvidia's going up. Give me my money. Watch it just go down now. Yeah, I'm gonna tell you. Dude, what the fuck? It is not following anything. It's been like this lately. That's why I've been bitching the past couple days. But I also said it's dangerous because we're right at the 50, right? So you hoe bag. Shoot. Shoot. As soon as I drop it, you're gonna take it. There we go. Let's go for 20. I like that number. 21's my well, 21's my number. Nvidia's almost back to the 200 EMA. Apple went back to VWAP. There's definitely been some weirdness going on lately. It's like they changed the algorithms again. Now I have to figure them out again. Okay, so we lost 580. We made 150 back. That's 430. We made 140 back.
Booking.com stays for absolutely
and then plus
anyone.
the
For instance,
$15
imagine
loss.
you're
That
a
should have been
vampire
20.
thirsting for a lively hotel. You'll find a Vegas resort near some great nightlife. Perfect.
So
You may be undead, but you're the life of the party. And if the
305.
forecast calls
Gotta
for
make
sun, at least there's free cancellation on most stays, so you can wait for the perfect weather.
Trying to hold this wick.
Gorgeous.
They're still trying to
If
not
a
let it
vampire
down.
can find their perfect stay, anyone can. Find
Crude
exactly
doing.
what you're booking for. Booking.com.
Crude's
Booking.
Still holding that key level up there. Oh man, wildness. Oh man. Docs, YouTube live control panel. There we go. It might hold here, but I don't trust it. Crude's still up there holding that key level. Nvidia flip green did touch the 200 EMA, but it still has that wick up, another 40 cents. So we may try to VWAP again, see if Nvidia goes or not. We're just going to try the 50 EMA, and we're not going to risk too much. 'Cause if it wants down, like I said, we should be down here, not up here. It makes no sense. Oh man, we didn't get filled. Just going. Nvidia tapped a key level. Now it came back down to the 200 EMA. Microsoft's still just chopping straight across, which might be what happens the rest of the day. IWM's chopping, but it kind of looks like it wants up to the 200 EMA at 249.55, but it'd be chasing at this point. Spies at VWAP can go to that 200 EMA at 670.36. QQQ might go 603. I don't know. Depends what happens right here at VWAP. We're basically just chopping. But we also got to watch this right here. Boop, boop, boop. This could be a big cup and handle. And they could run it up again before. Although with crude up 98, we should be at lows of the day. Stop watching crude. We ain't following it. I haven't even taken any options yet. Let's unlock it. Nvidia rejected that, came back to the 5 EMA, stuck between. that's why I didn't chase. It's gonna be a long day if it does this all the way till the meeting. Video have news. So dumb. Sometimes they use the dumbest news to move stuff. Uh-oh, crude is on that key level again at 97.91. Chop, chop. Yep, that's why I'm not in. Yep. Take it easy, dude. I'm probably gonna turn this off too. I'm not gonna go in the chop. That's for sure. Up, down, turn around. Crude, it might lose. It might lose it. Does it close under the key level or pop up again? It keeps popping right back to it. 97.91's the level. And it has held it for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 wicks. 7 candles in a row held it. They are trying to push below it. It's not working. What about gold? Gold's going up. Could still be a bear flag though. We need a breakdown below the 50 for no bear flag. But it came so far down it could pop all the way up here before doing anything. Oh, look at that. We made it to a level. Holy moly. And right back up. Crude's underneath all the way to the 50. Holy moly. Oh, I want to chase this so bad, but I know it can just go zoom right back down. Alright. I'll catch y'all later. Y'all take it easy. I'm gonna get to work now. Still gotta make that other, what, 305 back, which I can probably do right now. Let's see what happens. Probably lose it. This is why you don't chase, kids. That's a little too much. Just give me that. I'd be happy. Too much? How about right there? Nope. Danger zone said nope. It's just not my day. Nope. That was horrible. Yep, I knew I should not done that. I even said they're probably gonna figure it right back down. Oh well, fuck this. Alright, y'all take it easy.